Mete and I.
Your GPS to black-owned spirits.
It is day 19 of Veda.
That means we have, what, 12 days? Wait, I can't count. 19, 20.
How many days in August?
31?
31.
Yeah, 12 days, guys. We have 12, after this, 12 more recipes. Guys, thank y'all so much for rocking with us for the past 19 days. Man, like, we look back at the cocktails we made so far, we're like, dang, man, we really out here putting out cocktails. Like we real bartenders out in these streets, guys. But for those who are new here, this is your first time watching this video. This is Sippin with Mete and I. We created a channel, a secondary channel. Our main channel is Mete and I. But we want to create a channel where we can showcase, highlight, promote, show love, taste test, review black-owned spirits, interview the black CEOs of these spirits, and just to make y'all aware that there are black options out there.
Oh, yeah.
And so we was challenged, or we was inspired rather, to do Veda, which is vlog every day in August. And our family, Sheldon, told us or suggested that we make a cocktail every single day. Instead of just doing a regular vlog, right. Do a cocktail, make a cocktail every single day. And I was like, perfect idea, but we didn't know we could pull this off. One, we're not bartenders. Half these drinks, if not 90% of these drinks, we never even had before. But we wanted to do something and show y'all that there are black options out there for your favorite cocktail. So today's cocktail is a special one. You see the t-shirts?
You see
the Mete and I Cruise Squad. This was a request as well. We were suggested in the comments to make a Bahama Mama. And for those of you who may not know our backstory or know us, outside of YouTube, we're avid cruise lovers. We're cruise addicts. We are cruise junkies, right? We've been on, 17, 18 cruises. We are platinum members of Carnival Cruise Line. See, we ain't like the Sheldon and Key. They got the cute little gold one. Now that's cute. They still go, but Sheldon not platinum. He's gold. But we're platinum members, right? So we love cruises. We've been on cruises every year since 2014. We only missed the past 2 years since COVID hit. So a lot of y'all don't even know us for traveling, but we do our thing when it comes to cruises and traveling and stuff like that, whatever. So we figured, since we have a Mete and I cruise coming up next year, it was requested.
You know what we were on? For
us to do Bahama Mama. Yes. Bahama Mama is the first drink you gotta buy when you step foot on a cruise ship.
It's Mando.
It's Mando that you get a Bahama Mama. I don't care what else you get after that. When you step foot on that ship, you had to get a Bahama Mama. So he's like, know what? Since we're gonna do Bahama Mama, let's dress it up. Let's put on the Mete and I cruise promo shirts and let's make a Bahama Mama, guys. So without further ado, this is our variation of how to make. Now there's many out there.
Oh yeah.
Find the one you like and make it. Don't come for us if our variation don't match your variation.
We like to remix stuff.
No, black people, we don't measure stuff. We don't even know. We do what we do because we do what we do. We like what we like, and we like what we like. And so you like what you like, and you enjoy how you like to enjoy your cocktails. Just make sure you try it and you sip and you drink responsibly, guys. Don't try this and then drive somewhere. But without further ado, guys, Mete, this is your go today.
It's my turn. Y'all ready for me to mix up something special for y'all? Let's go.
Baby,
close up. All right, guys, this is our first time making a Bahama Mama. Of course, like I said, we drink this. Sometimes I go to some comedy club. I see a Bahama Mama or Bob Marley on the menu. Sometimes I get Bahama Mama just to see does it taste like a carnival? Does it bring me back to a cruise days? Everybody's been on a cruise, ladies. Shout out to Edna and the whole groupcation. Your favorite couple and the whole Melanin Sea just came back from a cruise a few months ago, and everybody's cruising again, guys. And we so jealous. We want to be on our boat so bad. So this is our way. This ain't a Lido deck. This is the Me Not deck. And so I'm happy to taste this because I'm gonna feel like I'm on the Lido deck right now. I'm gonna feel like Wonston, you know, they just had their Bahama Mama for the first time. But shout out to all the travel channels. You got Edna's World, and you got Parker's on the go. You got Your Favorite Couple, the Humes Empire. You got Teen Reach Travels. You got so many. Triple with Dre and Michelle. Social Couplepreneur. It's so many dope. I don't want to miss anybody, but shout out to all the travel channels out there. But no, Me Not Cruise, guys, June 12th through the 16th. June 12th through the 16th, 2023 next year, guys. We got all your favorite YouTubers going to be on this Me Not Cruise. We're going to have a full line up, rundown about who's going to be in that cruise. But you know Kayla Mar, Keeping the Grip is Me Not, Humes Empire, Trap Vision, Your Favorite Couple, Edna's World, Life with V, Heavy Hitters, Nikki Antoinette, Tripping with Dre and Michelle. There's so many, man. Some of your favorite YouTubers would be on this Me Not Cruise. So y'all make sure y'all tap in and go on that. But without further ado, guys, we're going to talk about that cruise again. Let's get into this drink. Me. Ready to sip that thing?
Ready to sip that thing.
Let's go.
Tastes better.
Yo.
It tastes better than the ones we buy.
Everything I love, Charlotte.
You haven't
on everything I love on my mama, on my daddy's soul.
You had hours. Let me drop
I ain't gonna.
Let me drop that thing.
Oh my God, y'all. This is probably.
I feel cheated. I swear.
This is probably the best drink we made thus far, and I like the Mai Tai. I like
every day.
I like the blue, the blue mofo we just did. I like the blue electric blue.
Yeah.
We did. I like the mojito we did. This tastes like an authentic cruise ship Bahama Mama. I just stepped foot. This tastes like I just let the mustard drill. I just left the mustard station. I just put my bags up. My luggage ain't got to the room yet. I need a drink. Y'all, those who know about cruising know what I just said. You know how that felt. Put it in the comments below if you know how I feel when your bag's not there. You went through hell to get to the ship,
after that mustard drill, okay?
And you want a guy burger and a Bahama Mama. This is how it feels like. You said that thing fast. You gotta sit that thing fast. You know why? Because you can be like, hey, bring me another one. Y'all.
It's nothing like this. Is again refreshing.
This
is so much better.
This is to everyone going to Mete and I cruise. You got D Bryan. You got Point Blank Travel. Who else? You got Kayla Meyer, you got Griffin, you got the Keeping Up Cooking with the Catrins. You got Funk Factor with the Money, you got Virgin Closet, you got so many, y'all. Like literally, we have over 40 content creators. We have already over 90 people going on this Mete and I cruise, and we still got a lot of people who still got left to pay. So, guys, join the Mete and I cruise June 12th through the 16th, so you can try these. I ain't say unlimited because I don't know how your money gonna be, but try unlimited. I mean, try these. It's unlimited on the boat. You gotta pay for it, but you can get these joints, yo. This right here, I gotta make it for somebody on the cruise. Like the Humes Empire gotta come over here. Humes Empire, I'm challenged. I'm calling y'all out. Come to the table.
Y'all gonna be like, oh heck no.
That's it. June 12th through the 16th. To book your spot on the Mete and I cruise, email us at meteandicruise@gmail.com. Meet, M-E-T-E, andicruise@gmail.com. It's not too late. We got theme nights. We got all white night. We have our major night is gonna be the brim and bourbon. So you can wear your favorite sexy fedoras. We're gonna take photos with our bourbon, your whiskey, your amaretto sour, your whiskey sour, your old fashioned cigars. We're gonna have a nice photo shoot. We're gonna have a YouTube forum so we can network and build and figure out how we can grow our channels. Kayla Mara doing a group workout. Edna's doing a bar crawl. We got working on a watch expo. So there's so many things we got planned on. And a lot of stuff we can't even talk about till later. But join us. Email us. We'll book your cabins.
Even if you just want to ask us a few questions, just kind of like
send us a message on Instagram or send to the email. We have a private Facebook group for those who pay their deposit. You can join the group once you pay your deposit. And that's it, guys. We're not gonna hold y'all up, guys. Thank y'all so much for being with us, rocking with us for 19 days. We want to make this one a little bit special. Since we're doing the Bahama Mama, we had to dress it up.
Oh yeah, look, it looks nice.
So this is a floral shirt. Again, these ain't gonna be the official Meet and I shirt. This is just something you got right now. But y'all want anything? We'll put it. Huh? We put it on the website. Y'all want one, but these not gonna be the official shirts we'll wear on the cruise. And we also got a private party on the boat. We got a private party in Half Moon Cay, guys. So there's a lot of stuff planned. But join us, guys. Don't miss out. And we leaving from Miami, Florida. We're leaving out Miami.
That's a vibe in itself.
We ain't talking about that. We're leaving out Miami.
Right.
We're gonna have a Miami meetup. In Miami. We're gonna have a meet and greet also in Miami, like maybe a dinner. We're going to Half Moon Cay, Bahamas, and Nassau. We ain't tell what we're going to, baby. We're going to Half Moon Cay, Bahamas, and Nassau, Bahamas. So 4 days, June 12th through the 16th, Nassau, Bahamas, Half Moon Cay, leaving out Miami on the Carnival Conquest. We are your official travel agents for this cruise. So call us to book your cruise.
Oh, yeah.
Call us, send us an email. We'll book your cruise. We are the official travel agents. We'll email you, do everything official. So that's it, guys. We love y'all. Thank y'all so much. I hope y'all like this recipe.
No, we hope you love this recipe.
But my recipe's
gone. Recipe gone, child.
Wait, do I got some more my recipe left? I got a little bit of the batch left. I ain't much, child, but shit, we gonna put this a little bit there. I got a little bit left. Cheers.
Oh.
Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell there. Bing! So you stay notified whenever we drop new content. Follow us on Instagram. Sippin with Mete and I. Baby, tell them the website.
It is shopmeetandi.com. Again, it is shopmeetandi.com. Y'all see it?
Guys, so grab y'all wallets, your purse. Angelina Nostrum going to Meet and I cruise. I forgot about that.
Yeah, look, that's why
I said that's a Team Reach travel.
That's why I call the names because I don't remember. So if you can
Big Lex, Atlas going.
Did you say
Light with Brandon Atlas going. All about the Jacksons going. All about the Jacksons going. But my brother B Love going, Odie going, my nephew KB going, my mama going, the Mason family going out of Delaware.
Matter of fact, I don't want to rub it in.
Edna's sister going.
But they were the first one to lock it in completely. They are done. They're already in the books.
Man, we got already 26 balconies already, 6 suites, guys. So don't miss out on this cruise. I'm telling y'all, we love y'all. Thank y'all so much. And we'll see y'all tomorrow for day 20.
What is the drink for tomorrow?
I'm thinking we're gonna do this is another request from Kayla Mar. I think we're gonna take it back to my first drink ever in the club, the Amaretto Sour.
Amaretto Sour.
And then we're gonna hit y'all with the Bob Marley.
Y'all ain't ready.
So stay tuned, guys. We love y'all. Share this out. Let everybody know this is the GPS for Black-owned spirits. This is the home of Black-owned spirits, guys. We're gonna show y'all how to make y'all favorite cocktails using black beverages.
We're your official travel agents for the Mete and I cruise.
That part. You hear me?
Hey.
We love y'all. We out.
Bye.